This year's Rallye Weiz in Austria was very special. For the very first time in the history of motorsport, an electric car competed in the national championship and completed the entire event.
Rallye Weiz is definitely one of the most exciting races here in Austria. We saw that this would be the perfect showcase for doing this world premiere.
Everyone was really curious about the experimental ŠKODA RE-X1 Kreisel prototype. It is a unique fully electric car based on the Fabia Rallye 2 Evo.
ŠKODA Motorsport and ŠKODA, generally speaking, are very, very important. We get so much input from ŠKODA Motorsport to do some proper development with the car. Kreisel Electric is doing all the electric and battery stuff. We have on the car two separated powertrains, one on the front axle and one on the rear axle. And of course it was a pretty tough one to do a proper communication between the two axles, but you can see it worked out. We did a proper charging plan over the full race. So we agreed with the organizer some charging points where we are able to do some recharging of the battery system. We can run approximately 35 kilometers in full stage mode and some additional road section on top.
But you don't show your speed in the service tent, you have to take it to the stages. The ŠKODA RE-X1 Kreisel with Raymond Baumschlager behind the wheel did very well there. After Friday's stage, he was in 5th place.
We can be quite happy with that, for sure. It's many things are different, especially you have no clutch, then you have no gear lever, you cannot shift, so it's sometimes hard to recognize the right speed. But the rest is okay. It feels like it's getting more and more in the direction from a Rally 2 ŠKODA Fabia.
Saturday morning it started to rain. Despite the more difficult conditions, the Austrian crew picked up the pace, and after the first stage of the morning, they settled into 3rd position.
Maybe I'm better in the rain with that car. Tire choice was perfect, so I hope we can keep the position.
And they did it. Raymond brought the RE-X1 to the finish in 3rd place. During the rally, the car didn't encounter a single complication or technical failure, which is a great achievement for a debut start.
We couldn't wish a better result, to be honest. It's absolutely wonderful. We are here on the world premiere of an electric rally car who is running the full range of a rally. And yeah, we are on the podium, so it couldn't work out better.
Congratulations also goes to Simon Wagner, winner of the Rallye Weiz with his ŠKODA Fabia Rallye 2 Evo. 2 ŠKODAs were on the podium, a petrol and an electric car. It seems that we are ready for the future of rallying.
ŠKODA. Simply clever.